shit, it's red or blue. I told all the ops to eat shit and get cancer too. Bobby got that cell phone stick, you better answer, dude. My wife got a body on that bitch, is she a dancer too? It's Big Hank, fuck they talking about? Fuck a money sprint, I cannot hold it, it's a large amount. Bobby got his purse, but he dropped it and the purse fell out. Hit his head, told him it's some shit he should've thought about. King of the hill, I'm selling propane. Me and gang, Wobby and Amir, we ran a soul train. D for speed, I'm a ship to gear, he's swerving both lanes. I told this bitch she hopping, so her down. Chipotle, know that boy right. Rider with a shotgun, bitch.